right, sweet. So you'll be able to hear me now because I just put my motor at idle. This is the highest I've ever flown with my paramotor. I am at 2,000 feet right now, and I can see every river out there, which looks amazing. Look how full these rivers are. Flowing, man. There's a 40. So I had to wait for the sun to go down just over those clouds so I can record with a bunch of dark land. That river way right there, and I think it's flowing too. So I'm just cruising down right now. Since I'm facing the wind, I'm coming down a little slower. So just wanted to record this for y'all. Now I just dropped to 1,700.